Alright guys, welcome back. I just finished a video where I'm washing car because it's raining. I'm washing the car. And anyway, the car is washed. It's pretty much dry. And I have this product now, C6 Mist, that I saw. So I want to try it out. Now this is a drying aid with, as I understand it, very little protection. Okay, it's mainly just used for slickness during the drying process. So if your car is wet, you know, and you are finished washing it, you could spray this on it wet and you could use it as a drying aid, but you know, you dilute that a little bit. Or you could spray this on after you've washed it and you could rinse it off and then dry your car. You can rinse it off with your hose, your pressure from your little shooter gun on your hose, or a pressure washer. All right, so that's one way to use it. Like I said, you could spray it on wet and dry it, or you could use it this way. I'm gonna get some sprays to the towel. Get the towel nice and wet there. Let me set this down. Now the towel is moist. I'm not rubbing it hard against the paint, but as you can see, we've got drips on the paint because I just washed it. So go ahead and wipe in. Oh, this feels very slick, you guys. C6 over there, very slick. So I'm drying the paint. I'm gonna flip it and dry it now. That way it's not dry towel against the paint. All right, we got some more here. Wow, I just want to rub this all over the car. Forget that. Let's put it all over. Underneath the towel here, guys. This feels really slick. I don't know what's in there. I don't even want to be honest with you, I don't even care if there's wet spots or not. I'm going to spray some of this on there and I'm going to wipe it over the whole car. That's super slick. I mean, that's wet, but I can feel it under my hand just gliding. That's on the wet application. Now I'll flip it over and I'll dry it. And you know what? On the drying side, it's not as slick. It's weird because on the application side, it's very slick, but it is still slick. Just it's slicker as I apply it. It's very weird. I think I like this though. All right, let me move around. All right, let's try it couple sprays here on the car like that. Wipe it in. Let's see how it looks. You know what? I'm gonna give you some fresh sides here. Oh yeah, that's very slick underneath a fresh, dry side of the towel. Does it leave any marks? No. How about on the window? Rub it in there. This is not my favorite window towel by far. It does leave some lint. Is that a little flower? But it wipes off so smoothly. I can feel it right in the middle here. You know, as I hit right here. Ah, wow. Yeah, that's huge. Oh, wow. All right, you guys. So C6 Mist, I've got to try it as a drying aid. All right, guys, so the car is wet. I'm gonna spray. I saw them do this in a video. I'm gonna spray two big sprays like that. I'm gonna dry this side first before I get to that and see what it feels like. I mean, it feels pretty good. Of course, this has a nice coating and product. I just put Colinite bead coat on there. So yeah, this feels good, but do I notice a huge difference over here? Yeah, it's definitely just the towel kind of magically glides on it. Now mind you, I've got a fresh coat of bead coat from Colonite, and I've got the Dryinade on top on this side. Not too much difference in that feeling of slickness, the bead coat doing its thing, the Dryinade, but when you dry under the towel, that was what made the difference compared to over here. So you can do it wet if you want to spray it a little bit. That's it. All right, guys, C6, a ceramic Dryinade by C6 Ceramics. Quick detailer, got a protection, got some protection wrapped up inside the formula there, but it's not really made for protection. It'll probably wash off after one wash. I don't know, I haven't tried that, but that's what Ivan and their videos say, so don't expect this to be your protection. However, so you don't scratch the paint when you are drying, you spray this down. Now, after your wash, you can spray this on the wet car and you can rinse it. Then you can dry it. You can spray this on wet and dry it wet. You can use this like I did on the towel, spray it on your towel, dry the spots. You know, I learned that from Dr. Beasley's. They actually blow dry the car, and then any drips, they spray the towel and they wipe just the drips. They don't really need to go over the whole car. In my heat, I get water spots, so I'll dry it, spray it and dry it, and go over the whole car, and that felt really good with this product there. So you know what, it does what it says, it does it well, and I like the product. Very cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And this product I got over at autoforge.net, where they carry all the products, tools, towels, accessories for your auto detailing care. Talk to you guys later.